What's up guys, welcome back to the next video in learning C++. My name is QTS Danny and you guys watching my channel Corio Wood. Alright, so in this video we're gonna discuss calling function with pointers. So C++ allows us to pass a pointer to a function. So to do so we just simply declare a parameter as a pointer type. So I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna put a comment. In the brief I'm just gonna put a pass pointer. So this program pass a pointer and we do it to our function. So how we gonna pass a pointer to a function? To do so we come here and I'm gonna show you guys the example. We have a function void, we call it wood. Alright, so our woods now gonna have only one parameter, and that's gonna be the type int, and it's gonna be a pointer. Say we're gonna call it XYZ or ABC. I'm gonna call it X, for example. So now I have a pointer X, and my pointer X we're gonna assign some value. I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna put an X, so I'm gonna put a say value of say 700, for example. Alright, so now I have a pointer, I have a function called wood, and I have integer type pointer, and I call it X pointer, and I have assigned 700 to this X pointer. I'm gonna go to prototype and I'm gonna put a prototype, and I'm going to declare my function, which is void, and it's going to be wood. I have a data type int and a pointer X. Alright, so now I'm going to come down, and you guys needs to call or invoke your function with your data type. So I'm going to show you guys how we're going to pass this pointer, how we're going to pass this int pointer X, which has the value of 700. Alright, so we're going to have another two variables, and we're going to call it say ABC. Say I'm going to call it A, and I'm going to have another one, I'm going to call it B. So, and my B is going to be pointer. So what happens that I have a pointer already, pointer X, inside my wood function, and I'm gonna have another one, say int A, and I'm gonna have pointer B, in pointer B. So now I'm gonna point this B to A. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna have a B, and I'm gonna have the address of A. Alright, so this is my pointer and this is my normal variable, and what I'm gonna do is that now my pointer, which is here B, this guy here on top, and gonna have the address of A. So now my B points to A. So B now points to A. Alright, so now the which B is the pointing to A. How are we gonna pass it? So we're gonna call our wood function. We say wood, and we're gonna pass this B. So we pass this guy here into this function here. So now we're going to display cout the value of say the A is, so because we're going to put this A now, Alright, so we're gonna run our program and we're gonna see how we're gonna build the project. and we're gonna run. Okay, the value of a is 700. If you guys looking here, how the value of a is 700, doesn't have even have a value here, because we have void wood, which we have integer data type of int, and it's a pointer, and we assign 700 to this pointer. And now we have another two variable a, and the second variable is int of pointer b, and now this b is pointing to a. So this b has got the address of a. So what happens here, this we're gonna pass this b to our function, which is wood here with this guy here, and the value of a is then we're going to display the value of a, which has the 700. So that's how you guys call function with pointers. So alright, so I'm gonna come down. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring everything closer for you two guys. So say if you guys come here and say change this one to say 900 for example. Alright, so what just happened, I'm going to explain again. We have a function here which is called wood. It has a parameter, only one parameter, and that's in pointer x, and now we assign 900 to this pointer x. So now the pointer x have the value of 900. At the prototype we just type exactly just like declaration, we declare this void wood, and now we have another two variables here. The first one is int a, integer a, and we call it a. You guys can call it x, y, z, or I don't care, whatever you guys want to call it. And here I've got an integer and pointer. This is also pointer of b. So now this my pointer is pointing to a. So now my b, which is the pointer, is pointing to a. So a is, and here I pass this b, which has the address of this a, to my function. I'm gonna pass this to here, and because I'm only passing this pointer here, if you guys know, here I'm passing the pointer here, I'm calling the pointer. So this is this area is the must, so I'm calling or invoking function, my function with pointer. You guys can pass whatever you guys want to do. So I'm calling our invoking my function, which is called wood, my function wood with a pointer. So I have a function here which is called wood. It has integer and it has a pointer inside, and the pointer has got the value of 900, and here I'm passing this b, which is also a pointer here, to my function, and here I'm going to display the a, which is the guy here on the top. So because this b is now pointing to a, that's what I've got the value of 900. So if you guys come here, I'm gonna run again, and I'm gonna see, and you guys gonna see the 900. So the value of a is 900. So if you guys see here, a doesn't have a value. A gets his value from the pointer, from this guy here. So now b, we have a pointer b, and b is now pointing to a. Now we pass this pointer to b, and here we got a, because b is pointing to a, that's what we get the value of 900. So that's how C++ allows us to pass a pointer, or we can call our invoke function with pointers. So that's what C++ allows, and that's what's called calling function with pointers. Alright guys, that's it for this video. In the next video we're gonna show you guys how you guys gonna call your function with arrays. If you guys got any question or comment, leave it in the comment box. Otherwise I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.